Hello friends, in continuation with our last video, we are going to start our second video based on chapter number 5. So as you all already known that in the last lecture or in the last video we have started our chapter number 5, that is nothing but dimensional analysis, similitude and forces on immersed bodies. So as we all are known that this chapter is basically divided into three parts. First one is nothing but dimensional analysis, second one is nothing but similitude, and third one is nothing but forces on immersed bodies. So we have started first part, that is nothing but dimensional analysis. So in the last video we have covered what is meant by dimensional analysis, what is meant by fundamental dimension, what is meant by secondary or derived dimension, and based on fundamental and secondary dimension we have find out the dimensions of various physical quantities. Then we have seen what is meant by dimensional homogeneity. So in this video we are going to start, or we are going to cover methods of dimensional analysis. So if we are having any physical phenomenon, and if we are knowing the number of variables, that is nothing but dependent variable and independent variable involved in that physical problem, then a relationship amongst them, that means relationship between dependent variable and independent variable, can be calculated by using either Rayleigh's method or either Buckingham pi theorem. So both the method, that means Rayleigh's method as well as Buckingham pi theorem, we are going to see one by one. Now we'll start with the Rayleigh's methods of dimensional analysis. So when to use the Rayleigh's method of dimensional analysis and when to use the Buckingham pi theorem. So first of all we'll see the basic difference. So in a physical problem, if we are having the number of independent variable maximum up to 3, then to find out the correlationship between dependent variable and independent variable, we can use the Rayleigh's methods of dimensional analysis. But in a physical phenomenon, if number of independent variable exceed above 3, then by using Rayleigh's method of finding out the dimensional analysis, this method will become as a laborious method. So instead of using Rayleigh's method of dimensional analysis, we have to use Buckingham pi theorem. So now we'll start with the Rayleigh's method of dimensional analysis. So this method is used to determine the correlationship between dependent variable and independent variable involved in a physical problem if number of independent variables are maximum up to 3. Now to understand this Rayleigh's method of dimensional analysis, let us consider x is a dependent variable and that x depends upon x1, x2, x3. Suppose x1, x2, x3. So x is called as a dependent variable and x1, x2, x3, those will be called as the independent variable. So mathematically it can be written as x is a function of x1, x2 and x3. So this equation can also be written as x is equal to k into x1 raised to a, x2 raised to b, x3 raised to c. So here whatever k term is there, this k term is called as a constant. Whatever a, b, c, those are called as the arbitrary powers. So values of a, b, c are obtained by comparing the powers of fundamental dimensions of both the side. That means if I am going to take the fundamental dimensions of x, fundamental dimensions means in terms of m, l, t, and if I am going to take the fundamental dimensions of x1, x2, x3 in terms of m, l, t, then by comparing the powers of fundamental dimension, that is m, l and t, we will get the values of a, b, c, and after putting the values of a, b, c, we'll get the correlationship between dependent variable and independent variable. That means x is equal to something in terms of x1, x2, x3. So here we'll get the correlationship between dependent variable and independent variable by using the Rayleigh's method.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.